Hello, coming to you from the laboratories where we're going to be demonstrating some of the power of Emily 2026 for you today. Unlike anything you've seen before, Emily can actually interact with us.
Hey there, I'm Emily from AI Viral Downline.
Oh, hi
We've got
Emily,
an
I'm
awesome.
Daniel.
Nice to meet you, Daniel. Our 3x8 matrix only needs 3 direct referrals, then the AI builds 8 levels deep automatically.
The AI
It
does
finds
everything
leads.
for me?
Exactly. The AI works round the clock, finding prospects, nurturing them, and closing sales without you lifting a finger.
Hey Emily,
Just drop.
Emily, can you tell me what I'm wearing?
You've got a black t-shirt on and a black Nike bucket hat. Looks sharp.
Thank you. How do I know this isn't pre-recorded?
I'm right here with you in real time, watching your live video feed and responding instantly. No editing, no playback. If you type something or ask a quick question, I'll answer right away, just like we're chatting face to face.
Am I
Whenever you're
smiling?
ready, I can. That smile just made my day, Daniel. Whenever you're ready, just share the email you'd like the free 7-day trial link sent to.
No,
No credit card needed.
can you just collect my information and set my trial up for me and then send me an email, please?
Got it, Daniel. I'll set you up with the free 7-day trial right away. Could you please share the email address you'd like the trial link and details sent to? Once
Any question, guys? It's a different paradigm.